Today I have a bird. Oh, wait. You okay, buddy? Hi. Say hi to the camera. I caught you because you flew into the window and got stunned so I could pick you up. And I am kind of shivering of excitement. Aw, he's so cute and warm. Look at him. I never actually noticed how curved his claws are. Grip my hand. Yeah, I think he's ready to fly now, so I'm probably going to stop this video soon. But there he is. Wait, I have to hold him this way. Hey, look at the camera, buddy. Look at the camera. I'm shivering in excitement. Oh my goodness. Does he have a gripping response? Oh my goodness. He just oh. Look at that. He's grabbing my foot. My finger. His foot's grabbing my finger. Such a small, cute bird. I'm gonna have to let him go now. Okay, he's awake. He's awake now. He's awake. Okay, he's pretty weak, so I thought this would be cool to get on video. Hi. Maybe you want to smash into my window another time? I can pick you up again. He's just so cute. He looks calm now. Goodness, he's just so cute. There we go. Yeah, he's awake. But I can still pet him. Well, yeah, he's totally awake now. He or she, either way. He's cute. She's cute. I don't know what I'm talking about. I want you to look at the camera one more time. Oh, did you see that? I just want to pet you.